Hello, welcome to today's demonstration brought to you by CAD Talk. My name is Jeff Prickler and I'm a solutions architect. I help customers accelerate and automate their engineering to manufacturing handoff. IFS Cloud is among the most elite ERP applications in the world. The robust suite of business applications span many industry segments ranging from utilities and construction to all facets of manufacturing. IFS Cloud is especially strong in automotive, aerospace and defense, industrial machinery and equipment, and other manufacturing sectors where products commonly require hundreds or even thousands of components multiple levels deep in an ever-changing bill of material. CAD Talk ERP, powered by artificial intelligence, works with over 30 different CAD, PDM, and PLM applications to transform the engineering bill of material into manufacturing bills of material, routings, and inventory parts inside IFS Cloud. With the push of a button, CAD Talk ERP keeps engineering and manufacturing on the same page with an 80% improvement in the engineering to manufacturing handoff. CAD Talk ERP eliminates duplicate data entry, increases data integrity and BOM accuracy, and shortens lead time to customers. Each time a new design is released or an existing design is revised, CAD Talk transforms this data to create new or update existing inventory parts, product structures, and routings in IFS Cloud. Further, it identifies the changes between engineering data in CAD and manufacturing data in IFS Cloud, so you know which information needs to be updated between the two systems, ensuring that everyone is working from the same up-to-date information. Today, I'm demonstrating CAD Talk ERP integration between AUTOCAD and IFS Cloud. Let's get these systems talking. On the screen, I'm showing an AUTOCAD bill of material. In my IFS Cloud environment, several components from this drawing already exist. In this presentation, I am showing how CAD Talk creates new inventory parts and product structures, updates existing inventory parts and product structures, and generates a new revision on this bill of material from 1 to 2, while simultaneously applying the changes from AutoCAD. Upon loading the AutoCAD file, CAD Talk ERP reads the bill of material table, metadata, and all the other associated data from the AutoCAD drawing and transforms that information into fully indented bills of material complete with routing steps in IFS Cloud. I have seen two workflows with using CAD Talk ERP. In some companies, the design engineer launches CAD Talk from within AutoCAD and transforms the CAD data into a manufacturing bill of material. In other places, a manufacturing or industrial engineer leverages the design engineer's work and builds on top of it using the standalone application. No matter what your process is, CAD Talk has you covered. To begin the workflow with CAD Talk, I log in to IFS Cloud in the CAD Talk application. Now, I press Load AutoCAD File, and I browse for the file either on my local drive or in my Vault or PDM. As soon as I select the drawing, CAD Talk begins to process the file. During this time, CAD Talk extracts all the metadata attached to the drawing and by using intelligence translates that data into IFS Cloud inventory parts and product structures. Once CAD Talk has finished processing, it displays in the screen a fully indented bill of material. The software's intelligence differentiates between new, existing, and changed parts and displays those differences easily with its color coding. Red icons indicate that the part is new, green icons indicate that the part is existing in the ERP and we have not modified it, while yellow indicates that we have changed data. CAD Talk highlights in yellow any new or changed data points that will be updated upon save, while also tracking all changes. Notice that CAD Talk increased the revision on the parent item based upon the changes in AutoCAD. The interface provides a full BOM editor and auditing layer so that we can review and update any data points before saving the bill of material. Once everything has been reviewed, then CAD Talk updates the system with the press of one button. Immediately, CAD Talk creates and updates every level of the bill of material. After everything is saved, the application shows us the completed bill of material in green. Now that CAD Talk has finished, we can see the completed bill of material in IFS Cloud. Not only did CAD Talk create new inventory parts, but it also updated every level of the product structure without the need of going into IFS Cloud. Returning to the CAD Talk interface, let's review our flexible rules-based intelligence engine. that allows a solution to be configured for every customer worldwide. In the intelligence engine, CAD Talk experts and customers alike configured the solution to handle the complexities of the engineering to manufacturing handoff. CAD Talk's configurability and flexible architecture allows for easy upgrades so that you are always in sync with the latest versions of CAD and IFS Cloud. We have now reached the end of the demonstration of the CAD Talk ERP integration with AutoCAD and IFS Cloud. In this demonstration, we saw how CAD Talk created new inventory parts and product structures and updated existing inventory parts and product structures directly from AutoCAD. Implementing CAD Talk for IFS Cloud boosts the manufacturing business by reducing expensive manual data entry, increasing labor efficiencies, shortcutting lead times to delivery, and bringing consistency and accuracy to the bill of material. CAD Talk's rapid implementation reduces time to value from months and years to days and weeks. Every part of the business, from purchasing to engineering to the shop floor, enjoys delivering on time and budget. Thank you for watching. Please visit our YouTube channel to learn more about CAD Talk. To schedule a one-on-one demo or to discuss your current process with one of our experts, please head over to our website at cadtalk.com and schedule a time to meet with us. Thank you very much.